I think this VIAC could be a nice short setup starting next week. What's this Disca doing? Yeah, this one also maybe. This K. This one's too. They're getting, you know, they're getting there. They're starting to speed up now. So the setup is coming. That's where our edge is in these things. Let them speed up, and that's where we go in. Rule number 1 of short selling: don't be too early. And when you have a trend, you know, something like this been going on for a long time, and it starts speeding up, and it starts speeding up even more, well, the odds of being too early greatly diminish. Yeah, sure, absolutely. SOS, they're all frauds. But it hasn't gotten halted yet, so I guess, you know, the halt risk isn't that bad. Exactly, you're in it for a fun time, not a long time. But now we're talking about these, you know, obviously small cap stocks that are up 1,000% plus. A lot of these are just promotions and pump schemes. There's nothing else there. And then you have stuff like Uber or Freeport Morgan, which is like the biggest copper producer in the world. And Uber, well, obviously everyone knows Uber. You know, these are legit companies. You know, this is not the same thing. CCL, Carnival Cruises, like these are legit things, obviously. Market monitors, I don't really look at much. I do look at the indices. I stopped looking at the breadth and sentiment indicators a long time ago. They were all overbought and like overheated most of last year, and I made 900%. I would have made 0% if I had paid attention to those. So those have dropped for good. Just focus on the stocks. You don't even really ever have to look at an index, ever. I just do it because I'm brain damaged. I've been brainwashed since day one that these things matter. All you need to do is focus on the narrow set of stocks you get from the scans. The superstar stocks. All you need to do, pay attention. That's the problem. People are paying attention to all of these useless things, and they're not paying attention to what really matters. This is why there are so few superstar traders. This is why there's so many traders that fail. My job is to make you focus and put in the effort. And those who cannot focus, cannot put in effort, you go away. That's the thing. I only want hard workers. Dedicated people. Only dedication can make you a successful trader. Dedication and the right tools. And I do believe I do have the right tools. How do I know it? Because the setups I trade, they have been working for over 100 years. So I'm pretty confident in that area. The setups I trade, they're not random. I know they've been working over 100 years. There's no reason why they shouldn't stop, you know, why they should stop working. The only way the setups would stop working if no market, if no stock or no other market would ever go up again, and then we would have bigger problems on our hands, probably, than setups not working. I don't care which ones to have the voting rights, but which one is more liquid? This one is like what, 10 million average volume. That's what, 700 million. Disc K, but 600 million. Yeah, Disc A is a bit more liquid than Disc K. Maybe I'll do them both. GME about the little flag. I really don't see anything here. I don't see an edge either way right now, unless you're in from lower and still holding long. Look at where it bounced, right? Look at it. It's no coincidence it bounced on a 10-day. Look at this. When like was it 2 days ago when it tanked, went down 50%, bounced off the 10-day. No coincidence. You will see. You study hundreds of examples from history. That's usually when they stop. 10 and the 20-day most of the time. All right. So far my longs are coming back pretty well nicely. Most of the ones. Jets is about to hit new highs. GMBL is still flagging. FCX is about to hit yesterday's highs. Uber is coming back. MSTR super strong. It was just a Bumble and SC. Those are the ones that annoyed the shit out of me. Plug is coming back. GB. Yeah, everything is coming back. Okay, that's a good sign. So far, we're digesting this gap down very well. I like that. That's a sign of strength. It was a little bit of a shake. So far, it's all good. Yeah, I think we're gonna get some really nice setups for next week. Already getting excited. CTRM. It's a good looking, yeah, it's a good looking one. I think it preferably the 20-day comes down a little bit, reaches the price, but the 50 and 20 get closer to the price, so it gets a little bit of pinched, and then I think it will be ready for a big move. This one looks really good. Reminds me of these other low-priced high runners. SNDL similar setup, SCOM similar setup. They all look pretty much the same. It's a nice sign. It means speculation money is still there if these things are holding up and flagging. It's a very good sign. Hopefully this Mara and Riot can go sideways a little bit so we get new flags. I did miss them this time around. It's fine. I got some other stuff. What percent invested I am? No idea. 30, 40 maybe. Oh, I don't have any shorts anymore. Ah, I covered my last ones today. There you go. I've been net short for the past like 3 weeks. Since I started shorting Plug like a month ago, and Tesla also about a month ago, I've been like net short since. And yesterday I think I went net long for the first time, or like maybe no earlier this week. Yeah, I went net long earlier this week. I covered a bunch of shorts like Monday and Tuesday, or even last week. I don't even remember. AMRS, it needs time. AAL was the strongest airline. I guess I should have done that one. You always want to be in the strongest ones. If you buy the losers, well, or in this case the laggards, oh well. Save. No, it's not. AAL is hitting new highs of the flag. This thing is still inside the flag. Wait. Holy shit, I'm long this veil. Hey, Samp 2020. Thanks for noticing. I forgot I was long this. It's not in my positions list. I saw it in my broker account now. It's actually below my stop. okay, that sucks. I don't even remember I bought it. I thought I only bought FCX. Hey, okay, I'm gonna write to him. And I'm out. Look at this beautiful candle. Look, it's like art. I'm gonna NFT this shit and sell it for 10 million.